evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 15th annual Europa Property SEE Real Estate Awards. This year, as you can see, we are live and online, transmitting to the world. And our next one is Residential Project of the Year.
And here are the nominees: AFI City, AFI Europe, Romania; Aviatei Apartments, Grand Via, Romania; Aviatei Park Phase 1, Forte Partners, Romania; BW Vista Residential Building, Belgrade Waterfront, Serbia; Coresi Avant-Garden Phase 3, Citrus Casper Development, Romania; Cosmopolis Opus Land Development, Romania; Grand Via Park, Grand Via, Romania; and One Herastrau Plaza, One United Properties, also Romania.
And a big thank you to Lions Head for sponsoring this award, residential project, and I think we're going to go straight to the winner, Chris.
Exactly, yeah. Thank you, Lions Head, for sponsoring this. And there was a lot of retail, residential, a lot of residential developers, a lot of residential projects.
But just one winner.
And just one winner, and that is
One Herastrau Plaza, One United Properties, Romania.
One United Properties, Romania. Congratulations.
And I believe we have a camera crew with Beatrice Demetrescu from One United Properties.
Beatrice, welcome and congratulations.
Hello, good evening. Thank you so much for the award. It's a beautiful residential project which is in the heart of the north of Bucharest. So we would like you to visit it because we have some commercial as well there. So we have a gallery. Thank you so much. Congratulations to everyone and to the nominees as well. And see you next year.
Yeah, see you next year, and thank you very much. And yeah, we would definitely like to come out and see your project as well. And from the jury, they said it's the best one. So we will see you soon. And yeah, and enjoy the rest of the evening.